Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2017 LDV G10, stock number 6143. This ran from the 4th 2015 to the current shape. It has an SV7A 2-litre turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the SV7A 2-litre turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,